Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Patra's Zone. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for tuning into my channel. Please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you're not yet a subscriber, and press that notification bell to get notified as soon as your girl Patra drops a new video. Let's get into this video, guys. It has been a long and busy week for your girl Patra. As you can see in my bathroom, a lot of things are out of place because when I'm getting ready for work in a rush, things are moved and not put back in their correct place. I know a lot of you guys can attest to that. So before I start cleaning, let's first go ahead and put away all stuff that are in the way. And please watch this video all the way through to the end to see the end result, guys. So thank you once more for tuning in, and let's get going. So guys, before I start cleaning, I go ahead and I spray my bathroom down with some Clorox bleach. I put some toilet bowl cleaner in my toilet, and I start by cleaning first. As I said before, I take out all the stuff that are not needed, all the stuff that are in the way. Then I start with my face basin area. I'm going to clean the mirror, I'm going to clean the face basin, I'm going to clean the countertop. So I'll be taking off all those stuff on the top of the counter and give it a good wipe down. So you guys stay tuned and watch this video all the way through to the end.
I think about is you, even when I'm with my boo. Oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
She just moved right up the block from me, and she got the hots for me, the finest thing my hood has seen. Oh no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen, play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time, I bet I make this with her mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home, but it's something about baby girl, I just can't leave alone. Tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
You don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin'. I heard about the girls, no way. Hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day. Hey, as you can see, but I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in his two-seat. Now that's gangsta, and I got special ways to thank ya. Don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave him, but you and Dirty got ties for different reasons. I respect that. And right before I turned to leave, she said,
You don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
okay. up the block for me, and she got the hots for me. The finest thing my hood has seen. Oh no, no, she got a man and a son though. Oh, but that's okay, cause I wait for my cue and just listen. Play my position like a show star. Pick up everything, mommy hitting, and in no time I better make this one mine. And that's for sure, cause I never been the type to break up a happy home. But there's something about baby girl, I just can't get it. So tell me, mom, what's it gonna be? She said,
you don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, oh, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
I see all out and you looking, I never say a word. I know how niggas start acting trippin'. I heard about they girls. No way, hey, Nelly gon' fight over no day. Hey, as you can see, but I like your steez, your style, your whole demeanor, the way you come through and holler and swoop me in. So see, now that's gangsta, and I got special ways to thank ya. Don't you forget it, but it ain't that easy for you to back up and leave 'em. But you and Dirty got ties for different reasons. I respect that. And right before I turned to leave, she said,
You don't know what you mean to me. All I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you. No matter what I do, all I think about is you. Even when I'm with my boo, you know I'm crazy over you.
okay.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced. So no one else does what you do. That's why I'm mine. Spend my life with you. I wanna please you in any way I can. I wanna share my world. Don't you understand? Love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give all day long. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling all day long. Turn me inside out, make my heart beat. Need no one else, you're all I need. Personality, everything you do, it's me love, everything about you. Your smile, your style, so fly, I can't deny. I got a crush on you, that's true indeed. I'm digging you, you make me believe. Your love is one in a million. It goes on and on and on. You give me a really good feeling. Oh yeah, Your love.